Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use the social planner to schedule out some posts. Okay, so the schedule planner is under marketing, and it's the very first one, social planner. You'll have the planner, you have content, comments, stats, social learning settings, and we're going to go through all these. And then what you're going to want to do first is set up your socials. So you want to connect where you can. If you have a community within your Subtrio sub account, you can also add that. Settings, here is where you connect. It has communities here, so I have the three that we have. I got my Pinterest notifications. You should go through this to see if you want these notifications. There's categories that you can create. You can put a watermark on right here. I've already done one. So you would just add that. And the global settings, just keep it as that. So, like I said, first thing to do is set up your socials. It'll walk you through the whole thing. Basically, you just connect to Facebook. It'll ask you, your password and all that. And you just go for it. So I'm just going to reconnect. And then it will tell me which Facebook accounts, their pages. So I have my pages for this. The rest of them are like clients and stuff for right now. I wish I could get all those off, but someday when I have the time. So it is just Facebook pages, and that is okay because when you are scheduling in Facebook, it's always good to use their how their content plan the meta, so which is perfectly fine. And I schedule mine in my groups, so that is perfectly fine with me. I do Facebook on Facebook. I'm going to do the pages on here, and then I will post to Instagram. And then another time I will do Pinterest and TikTok. Okay, so as you can see, we have some things here. Sadie went ahead and like scheduled out some posts to the Build-A-Bot, which was beautiful. And that's always good to do if you have a community, just remember that. And then I did some posts this morning to see, how well it posted, because I haven't done this for a little bit, but this is something that we should do weekly, monthly, batch out your social. It is important to, this is just for visibility, making sure people get to know you, learn about what you offer, and start building that trust. Okay. It looks like you can do threads now too, so you can upload CSV, you could do reoccurring, you can do SS, there's templates. I have not figured out really how to use those templates, but I'm sure there's a way. And then approval if you have a team, and then category, and then comments. You can see the comments in here. Since I posted this today, I already have comments. So can we make a post? Please send me us the post. These are like, send me the post. I don't, this is probably spammers, but anyways, it will go here, and you can reply back in here. I like that. So if we are going to comment as Pam, we can reply right there. All right, so that is beautiful. I like that. These are spam, so I'm not even going to really pay attention to them. You can do stats. It will show you your stats in here, which is beautiful. I need to do this a bit more. Now, this is a new kind of thing too. I do like this that they say powerful listings ahead. Your you're already seeing social trends in action. Soon they're going to expand it, so that's beautiful. Okay, so it gives social trends here, and that's interesting. So just showing you guys this. You see that, and then we already kind of went through the settings, but you can go through them here. All right, so let's go ahead and get to scheduling. So the first thing I did, of course, make social images in Canva, and I just did the bulk crate. I figured this would be something I can post every day, just encouragement, and then, some other things as well. Let's, so what I did, this is, I go ahead and download it two ways. I download it as a PNG, of course, and that way I can, do each individual. And then I also do a PDF standard. Um, this way that I can go to ChatGPT and ask for additional help. So I download that as well. So a PDF standard and the PNGs. Then I take my PDF over to ChatGPT and I just upload it and I just say, I need a Facebook post for each image, encouraging women entrepreneurs to keep going. You can put in whatever you want. You can put in as much info as you want. You can use a chat bot. I was just showing this so that someone who doesn't have all, like a chat bot or anything, but you can also use a bot that is just for social media as well. But here we go. It gave me, some just one-liners there. And then we talked about it and I got a little bit more. And so what I'm going to do is I am just going to copy and paste all these. There's 30 of them with the image. And let's go ahead and do that real quick. So I'm just going to do a couple of them so you can see. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and go New Post, blue button. You can create a new post. You can upload from the CSV, templates, content, all this over here. So we are going to go create new post. I'm going to select which, you can create a group so you could just keep on going with that, which I'm probably going to do. So I'm definitely going to want to put this in some Facebook pages and my Instagram. I won't do Pinterest because this isn't the right size. I will do it for my GSD 10 week because that's what's going. And then if I wanted to put them in different groups or different what are these announcements stuff categories in the group, right? So I think I have what I need. Actually, I think I'm going to put it in this one as well. And yeah, we're good. Okay, so it's being added, and then we can customize for each channel if you want, but for sake of time and all that, and I'll show you this. So you can just go ahead and see what, like you can just switch between all these, okay? But I'm just going to do one, and it will post it to everything. Okay, so I'm going to go over, I'm going to go grab an image. I have my folder right here. I am going to start from the bottom. And put that in there. You can start from the top. I just have done some of the top ones, so I am just going to, and there we go. Then I'm going to go back over to Chatty, go to number 30. Okay, so you can do a follow-up comment if you want. There, you can apply you can put it in category, tags. So, there we go. And then the Instagram will look like that. And then my post in the groups will be that. All right, so I have all that. Let's see here. I'm going to see where it says post. I am going to click on the down arrow and I want to schedule that. And we'll schedule that for a little bit later today. So I'm going to go 9:27, 9. Yeah, that's okay. Best time to post. Okay. Uh, well, we'll do another one during that time. But they have some best times here. We're just going to do a couple of hours, schedule post. Oh, I have to put in my name. Both of them. Yeah, this is all right. So, and then schedule. We'll do it again because it had errors. I had to pick the name. So it's still one. Oh, title. Forgot the title. Shoot. I don't want all that. There we go. I think I got that. We'll try this again. It looks like it was created successfully. Now, let's go look. Okay, so, oh, you can run it as an add to, and see all where it's posting. That is beautiful. And if you want to see a calendar, this is how it looks. You can see what days that one's published, and then we have some more. So we have more scheduled. Okay, so that is fun and something to do. So I will be doing scheduling for every day, hopefully, and yeah, this will be great. So take some time to batch your social media. I know there's a lot going on, but make sure that you do a little bit here and there. Okay, so thank you very much.